So you're trying to increase your speed during your mile. Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing my tips how I got my mile time down from 8 minutes and 40 seconds to a 6 minute and 40-second mile. Okay, let's get started. Tip 1, start running. This is obvious, but some of you are just watching this video and you're watching all these YouTube videos waiting for that perfect program to just start running. And to be honest, it's impossible because there's so many good ones out there and you just can't overthink it. Tip 2 is to get a timer or a smartphone so that you're able to record your miles and that you'll be able to beat your record the next week and the next week, and that way you're making sure that you're running faster, you're not plateauing. Tip 3 is to start small. Okay, I know it sounds crazy, but listen, if you have not ran in a while or you haven't ran at all, start with something small. When I first started, I started with intervals. I would run as hard as I can for 2 minutes, then I'd walk for 2 minutes, and then I'd do 2 sets of those. Then I'd slowly increase it over time. This sounds like a waste of time because it sounds like that's not enough work, but you're just getting started and you don't want to break yourself. Tip 4, do these intervals 4 times a week. Increase the minutes running each week as well, and also include leg kicks twice a week to make sure that you're activating your glutes, because that is the one thing that a lot of people have a hard time with, especially me, is making sure that you're activating the glutes as you're running, because the glutes are the firehouse and basically the power that you're going to get from running faster. For that, I have an example, so I'm going to put it up on the screen. Week 1, day 1, you're doing 2 minutes running, 2 minutes walking for 2 sets, just like I said that I did in the beginning. And then you go, day 2 is 2 minutes running, 2 minutes walking for 3 sets. You're increasing it by 1 set, okay? And you're doing that for each day of the week. You're increasing the sets. So day 1 is 2 sets, day 1 is 2 sets, day 2 is 3 sets, day 4 is 4 sets, day 5 is 5 sets, and then day 2 and day 6 you're doing the leg kicks, making sure you're focusing on the glutes and really making sure you're contracting them. Okay, and then week 2 you're basically doing the same thing, but you're increasing the running by 1 minute, and the sets are the same and the walking time is the same. Now we go to week 3. Now instead of the sets going up and the walking time going up, we're focusing on the running times going up. So day 1 is 4 minutes, day 5 is 5 minutes, day 4 is 6 minutes, and day 5 is 7 minutes. And then your leg kicks are increasing as well. And now we go to week 4. Now week 4 is the time that we're going to do our 1 mile at max effort time. So day 1 and day 3 and day 4, day 1 and day 2 and day 4, you are making sure that we're putting the walking time down, but we're going to do max effort on those 2-minute runs. And then day 5, we're going to do the max effort mile time. And then day 6, after that 1-minute mile time, you'll do 25 leg kicks, 3 sets, making sure that you're focusing on the glutes as well. And then you can repeat this the structure if you do or you're not satisfied with your mile time. But I am positive if you haven't ran in a while or you haven't ran at all, that this will definitely increase your mile time to make sure that you're not getting it in like 10 minutes. This should at least get you to an 8-minute mile or a 7-minute mile if you are putting the effort in and the running times as well. If you are, people always try to kill themselves when they run in the beginning, because it's like, well, my friend's running 3 miles a day, so that's what I should be doing. And then you go out there and you get super exhausted, don't find any fun in it, and then you wake up the next day like super sore, and then you take a day off, and then you keep repeating this cycle. And trust me, I've been there, and many people have as well. Leave your ego at home and start small. You're trying to do this for the long time, not a short time. Well, I hope this helped you guys out. Was there anything I wasn't clear about? Comment your answers down below. And also, the question of the day, what is the longest run you ever done? Me personally, has been a half marathon just recently. And my goal would be to do the Moab 240 sometime, in the near future. But right now I'm not even that close. So, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video and you found it informative, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips on fitness, tutorials, lifestyle, and Jesus. So peace out and God bless.